Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any Instagram, how we can adding your particular post and story along with the link. I'm selecting for imfit.in. It is a gym website. So we are looking for weight loss training and martial arts, personal training, and cardio training, and any kind of training, kickboxing. You can contact this particular website. So right now we are uploading one video will be here, same like that. First of all, video will be making on your particular using Canva option. After this video, I can upload by your Instagram account, create option, where is there, upload the video tab selecting original, next, and next, click is a post and click for share. So, sir, what will happening? When uploading content on your Instagram account, the web link is not working will be properly. So what is my question is called? What are the content I'm sharing in my Instagram post? It will be converted as the Instagram story along with the web link. What will happening? Anybody watch my story into Instagram, my Instagram post, it will be converted into my website traffic or divert into my website traffic. How it is possible? First of all, this is the purpose. We have to use your particular mobile application. In a mobile application, what are the video uploading will be here? The video will be here is the option. Open the video. In this video, click for share option. In this share, add your particular story. In this particular story, we can using will be here. Click for this option. There is option call is link. Add your website address www.imfit.in. So when adding this option will be here, click for done. After click for done, so the link will be shown to customer will be like this. Just scroll down will be here is that. As I'm scrolling will be down. Now I'm clicking for share. So automatic share will be here is the option. Click for done. So this post we can visible by the as a story option in your particular Instagram account. Just we have to verify it. When click this link will be here, they go to your particular website. So they will interested, they will contact us, they fill up the form and then message your particular option. So this is the what are the posts you done by here, and this link will be valid for your particular desktop version also. Not only mobile, this link will be valid for your particular how much is mobile, same will be into valid for the your particular desktop also. So here the link is not updated in this desktop. Once again, we can go for refresh. Here is it is click the link to the website link. So this is the method we can follow it. Update the what are the story you have along with the website link, compulsory mandatory on your Instagram account. Don't forget it. This always follow the proper guidelines to update your story along with the website link on each and every Instagram website. Sir, I don't have any website link. Can I add the WhatsApp link? What are the business you have? Add the WhatsApp link and anything will be possible on your particular story option. If any more videos are looking for our website or anything required about Instagram, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.